Hello and welcome to our look at our recent stay on board the Celebrity Millennium, where our cabin was 097 on deck 7. That makes it a centrally located inside cabin that offers a great place to stay and for getting around the ship. You are next to the main glass lifts and just a couple of decks above the main entertainment and 3 below the pool deck. For an inside cabin, it offers lots of space, including a seating area, a big screen TV and a large comfortable bed. There's also plenty of storage, a decent sized bathroom and just about enough plug sockets and charging points. So as ever, don't forget to like and subscribe, and why not leave a comment below if you've stayed on board the Millennium. Let us know what you thought about the cabins on board. My name is Darren, and why not join me as we enter cabin 7097 on the Celebrity Millennium. Starting down the side of your bed, you can see there is some storage, a lamp and a USB charging point, whilst there is some art behind your bed and 4 large pillows. The bed is the usual Celebrity Cruises sized one and remains one of the comfiest at sea. The other side of the bed features the same storage and USB socket, but there are also some controls for the room and the cabin phone. In front of the bed can be found a large seat, a small table and the cabin's television. Whilst on the other side is the vanity dressing area with a seat and a large mirror. Here you will find the light switches for the room and a range of sockets, including US, European and USB ones. There's also a number of smaller storage drawers, and after the mini fridge you will find some larger storage drawers. Above both of those are some glass cabinets, which is also where the cabin safe can be found. Next you have your wardrobe, which is a decent size for an inside cabin and offered plenty of hangers for your clothes. On one side is a small hanging space with some shelves, which are ideal for shoes, whilst the other side is perfect for suits, dresses and other longer items of clothing. The bathroom has all you would want from a stateroom, including plenty of storage and a decent sized shower. There is also a large mirror, tissues, hand wash and soap, and the all important glass shower door, although it was broken for us and kept banging whilst out at sea. The shower also has shampoo, shower gel and conditioner, and all in all it's a decent bathroom. So all that remains to be said is thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little tour of our stateroom on board the Celebrity Millennium cruise ship, and see you next time.